Hi folks, I'm Ken the RV Guy, and I help people all over the country find their ideal motorhome. Today we're looking at a 2021 Miramar 35.2 from Thor Motor Co.
We're going to take two passes around this coach so you can get a pretty good view of it. You'll see it's in really good shape, absolutely gorgeous. This is built on a Ford F53 chassis, 350 horsepower, it's 468 foot-pounds of torque. We have a hitch back there that'll pull another 8,000 pounds comfortably. You'll see that it's got two slides, one on the door side, one on the off door side. The door side slide is the entire length of the coach, so it's quite large. I'm going to show you what it looks like opened up. Two awnings, one over the door, 20-foot awning over the slide. You'll see we've got plenty of pass-through storage, 168 cubic feet. We have a TV on the outside. There's your propane ladder so we can go up on the top. We got a full fiberglass roof from front to back on this unit. So the roof will last us well. All the inputs there in one spot. More pass-through storage. Now we're going to go over to the inside and take a look. Inside you'll find huge 7-foot ceilings, beautiful decor with leatherette covering. There's the theater seats. You'll see as we move into the kitchen, you'll notice solid surface countertops. You'll notice a convection microwave. You'll notice a residential refrigerator. Plenty of closet and storage space. One of the things you'll see quickly when you look over in this bed is it's a tilt-a-view king-size bed, so it moves up and down, allowing you a lot of comfort in the evening time. We'll move through here. You'll see the dinette as another TV. There's a 39-inch TV in the main living, and then a 49-inch TV on the televator right behind another sofa couch. I'm going to open it all up now so you can see what it looks like when it's opened up. The entire coach has residential vinyl flooring, easy to keep clean. You'll see that those theater seats open up and come out, easy to relax there. I opened up all the drawers, cabinets, so you can see just how much space there is in this coach. Stainless steel double sink with a great faucet. An empty fridge, unfortunately, but I'm sure you'll think of something to put in there. I like how they put these drawers in the pantry because it allows us to use that space in the back. There's a closet now. There is connections if we wanted to add a washer or dryer. And then now you're seeing the 32-inch TV in the bedroom along with a closet and a dresser. I turn it on the other side so you can see what's on the top of the bed. We've got storage on the sides, and at the bottom there's some storage. It's kind of challenging to see, but there's a drawer up underneath there, a cabinet. Here's the bathroom. I skipped by it the first time. I wanted to come by the second pass with it. I'll open it up. See lots of storage. The shower is plenty large, so you don't have to worry about getting caught in a small shower. You're going to see here as we go by the Rapid Camp multiplex wiring control system that allows you to control most of the coach all from one spot. This coach will sleep 8 people. That dinette can turn into a bed. I didn't show it to you there, but I did show you how the hide-a-bed couch turns into a bed. And then, of course, we've got the bed above the driving area. So there's room for at least 8 people as we sleep. So we go on the driver's side. What you'll see is plenty of space. You see a 10.1-inch touchscreen dash radio. There are some steering wheel controls for the audio. You'll see a backup monitor. That captain's chair here is heated and swiveled with leatherette covering. Absolutely fantastic coach. Here's my info, folks. Give me a call or an email or a text. Let me know if I can help you. This is going to be a coach of your dreams.
Doobie 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 doom.